Tips for outsourcing your eBay business. Once you have a good eBay business up and running, you might find that it's taking up too much of your time, or something has changed and you're unable to continue, but don't wish to pack it up altogether. You've put a lot of effort into it and are making some money, so it doesn't make sense just to close it down. What can you do? The answer is outsourcing. For a small fee, it's possible to have someone else sell for you. These people are called trading assistants. A trading assistant must have certain qualifications to carry out this work. They must have sold at least 10 items in the last 3 months. They must have a feedback score of 100 or more. The score must be at least 97% positive, and their eBay account must be in good standing. A trading assistant does not work for eBay, neither are they endorsed or approved by them. Trading assistants are simply using eBay to advertise and run their operation just like you have been doing. The only thing that eBay retains is the ability to remove their profile if customers have justified complaints about them. These assistants may set their own terms and conditions, and it's up to you whether you agree to them or not. If you don't like the fees or terms, there may be room for negotiation, but it's up to you to ask. It's important to communicate clearly and tactfully in your inquiries and make sure you know who is to pay for certain things such as freight and packaging, what the selling price is to be, and what happens to unsold goods. You will, of course, have a say in these decisions. A trading assistant is responsible for seeing that their services to clients are legal. This might vary depending on the laws of their particular state or country. To find a suitable trading assistant, you need to go to the Trading Assistant Directory, which is where assistants advertise. The directory will list all the main features of each trading assistant. You will be able to sort out suitable persons by the state they live in, by what type of product they prefer to sell, and various other criteria. Once you have signed an agreement with your chosen trading assistant, they are then responsible for everything to do with the sale of the products. They communicate with buyers, they handle the selling process, they take charge of receiving buyer feedback, and of course, they pay the eBay selling fees. They may or may not pass this cost on to you, depending on the agreement.